home. My name is Ann, and today we're going to be frying chicken, having corn on the cob, and I'm going to take you step by step how I make my potato salad. Okay? Right over here, I fried chicken before, but I'm showing you again. This is the chicken. What I put on is Lawry's seasoned salt, accent, adobo seasoning, and black pepper. Okay, I have some over here frying. Got this frying. It's not quite ready yet. Okay. Got my white potatoes in this pot. They hadn't started getting hot yet for the potato salad. And this the corn on the cob. It's ready. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, y'all. I'll be back when the potatoes get ready so I can show you how to fix it. Okay, this the chicken frying. Almost finished, but not quite. This the chicken that got fried already. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Excuse me, without my brother-in-law coming through, picking at his granddaughter. Alright, this the corn. It's completed. Alright. Now, get started with the potato salad. This all the ingredients I put in my potato salad. I put a little bit of mustard, black pepper, mayonnaise, Lawry's seasoned salt, accent. Let me turn it around. Accent. I don't put that in there, but I got it up there. Anyway, pickles, sweet radish pickles. And I got 6 eggs right here cut up. And I have 1 bell pepper and one onion. I blend it up in my processor. I probably won't use all of that. And I use pimento. Not the whole jar, but some of it. You'll see me make it. All right, hold on. I'll be right back. The potatoes. You can see here. Okay, what I'm gonna do is add the eggs. Come on up close a little. Like I say, not all of this, but I'll put some of this. It might be too much, but I'll see. That's the bell pepper and the onion. Okay. I got 2 different jars already, but that's okay. It's just how many pickles you like, and how much you add. Just add a few pimentos. Okay. Mayo. I'm just going to start off with about 3½ tablespoons at first. Okay, now I'll add some Lawry's seasoned salt, accent. So y'all, accent really wakes up the flavor of a white potato. It makes it taste so good. Okay. Some black pepper. Not much black pepper. Died and had to stop and start again. So what I'm going to do now, I got in all the ingredients, the accent, the Lawry's seasoned salt, the pepper, the pimento, the sweet radish. Okay, I didn't put I was just finna put some mustard. That's right. Just put just a little bit of mustard. I just put this mustard just to turn the cabbage, you know, kind of yellow color, so it won't be so white looking. And then I'll do just mix it all up together. Alright, I forgot about my sugar. A little bit of sugar. I would have knew I didn't have it in here when I would have tasted it. That sugar make a difference. It help balance that sweet and that sour taste, all that. It help blend it up. Okay, let's see. And y'all see it now? It's coming together good. I don't think I need to add any more. Me and Lil gonna taste it. Do a little taste test. See what it needs. Do it need any more salt? Do it need any more accent? Do it need any more sugar? We'll let you know. Come on, let it taste a little bit. Let Tay get hers, let me taste mine. I think I need a little bit more salt. Put a little bit more accent and a little more sugar. Not too much. Okay. Okay, y'all, that's it. I got it mixed up real good, mixed together real good. And you mix it up with a fork if you can. That way you won't tear your potatoes up. Okay, y'all. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. I'm going to plate up a plate in a few minutes and let you see, okay? Alright, be back in a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to close it out. This is the corn on the cob. This is the potato salad. Fried chicken. Okay, I'm gonna fix a plate. I'll be right back. End results: I have the corn, I have rolls, potato salad, fried chicken. I have a glass of tea. And I want to thank you all for watching my channel. I'm going to taste this and let you know how it tastes. It's really good. Y'all got to try the potato salad recipe. I think you'll be real pleased with it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.